What we have here is back to the future, I would say. It's actually the past that actually became a future. This is Ford 150 Custom, old model. Probably most of you are familiar with this design, but this one is actually 2022 Ford F-150 Eluminator EV concept, completely electrical vehicle. Look at this thing. Two electric motors from 2022 Mustang Mach-E GT Performance Edition 480, around 434 feet-pounds of torque, 281 horsepower and 317 pounds of torque. Okay, so let's check it out.
Gun enthusiasts, get the new Firearms Guide. Firearms Guide is the world's largest guns and ammo reference guide with gun values and with old gun manuals. You can get online edition of the Firearms Guide or flash drive edition that you can carry on your keychain. Get yours at firearmsguide.com.
Check it out a little bit more. Look at this. Beautiful concept that took something from the past, from our automobile history, and turned it into the most modern electrical vehicle that we have here today, which is wonderful. It's completely electrical, two electrical motors. Beautiful in every single detail. This concept is simply gorgeous. Classical line, but with a nice touch of the future. Look at this. Simply beautiful. And now let's check it out from inside as well. Something totally modern inside. Beautiful leather seats, two screens. One is active right now, for the other we